What's going on, guys? Welcome to Simple Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use Proteus. I'm gonna break everything and I'm gonna explain bit by bit every features of Proteus. So to make sure you grasp the whole detail, I will show you how to create a project, how to make your own charger. I will start by showing you how an SMPS charger is made, that is switch mode power supply. So showing you this will also increase your knowledge about Proteus and how to use Proteus. So but then what I want you guys to do for me is to like and share this video. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps the channel to reach its full potential. So with that said, let's begin. So let me come over here, new project, project name, beginners, SMPS for beginners. B means beginners. So I'm gonna teach you guys, and also gonna show you guys how to make a simple charger. Next, finish. So this is our workspace, this is our layout. So as you can see, it's blank, it's empty. So here is your mouse, here is where you scroll. If you're using hand mouse, you can choose to enlarge it. You can just come here and move it here with your mouse, with your hand mouse, not with the one on the PC. So here is where you pick components. If you click here, this is where components are. As you can see, what is written here is component mode. So here's where you pick components. So you come over here, you come here, you can search for your component. You can pick any of them. Look at the category: resistor, we have speakers, sound, switch relays, transducers. We have all bunch of components here. So to make things easier, you can just come over here and search. So let me say I'm looking for 40, okay, let me just say 47 UF 500 volts resistor. As you can see, here is it. But this package is surface mount, so even if you can't find it, you can create your own, because there are many ways of creating a component here. So because you know this mistake that you don't want to make while using Proteus is, you don't want to pick a surface mount component, because once you pick that, it's going to affect the portion where you want to place your component. Let's say capacitor. If you can't get that exact capacitor, it becomes difficult for you to mount the main capacitor, the radial electrolytic capacitor. So you just have to pick the main component. You just have to select. So nice 500 volts. You see how small is your surface mount device? Is this color, this red color. Look at how it is. But then look at the main capacitor itself, the electrolytic capacitor. So let me, electrolytic capacitor. So yeah, this is it, aluminum. This is steel surface mount, because you see it's red. So this category here says generic capacitor. So as you can see, this is the main capacitor that we use. This is it. This is how it looks like. So if you want to pick capacitor, this is what you should look out for. Look at this circle, it's not red. The main capacitor is this size, and then you can just choose to select the size that you want. They have the bigger one and then they have the smaller one, depending on what is on ground. So we have the look at how big this one is. This one is 2.5 mm. Look at this one, 1.5, and all that. So we have a bunch of them here. Radial, this one is 5 mm. So depending on what you want to use, depending on the size, you can come here, you can pick any size of your choice, because you don't have to make mistake. because sometimes you might think that you are picking this electrolytic, but you don't know you are picking the radial capacitor. Sorry, I mean, you don't know you're picking the surface mount capacitor, so you should check out for the color, because it's not just for capacitor, there are other components too that also carry the same color. So basically, surface mount components, they are usually red, just like this one. Okay. Just red, just red. Everything about them is red. Just basically, it doesn't matter which kind of component. No matter the component you're looking for, all of them are just red. So you see red, they're all red. Be it inductor, be it resistor, be it transistor. You must see this red, this one too. You must see it here. So just so you are safe, you should make sure that you are aware of the component you're looking for. If you're picking surface mount device, make sure it's available. You know, there are some countries that you can't get surface mount device. They only rely on the those big ones, so to speak. So if you can't get that one, you can get this particular SNTS surface mount device. You can go for the other one. So yeah, so now let us begin. Let's begin. So if you want to export components, so first thing first, come here. So we have our, this is chip resistor. Okay, let's start with the capacitor. So this is capacitor. Let me go with the electrolytic capacitor. This is S surface mount device. So this is another shape of a capacitor. Let me just search for it. So where is this generic capacitor? So I come here. These capacitors are basically used with ICs. So if you want to filter any unwanted noise, ripples, or whatever it is, or it's just used for, it's used inside in line with what is it called, IC. So which one will I pick? Okay, let's pick this one. Let's export this one. Let's come over here. Let's pick resistor. Pick resistor. You click it, it appears here. So let's come again. Let's also pick the component. It's just transformer. Okay, diode. So pick one. Okay, so let's say you want to arrange this component. Let's say you want to incorporate this component. So you come here, you place this here. No, yeah. So now, as you can see, this is on component mode. If you place this here, let me check, can it come? Okay, it can still come. Yeah, it's just basically the component. Yeah, it's still gonna work. So yeah, okay, it's in component mode. Okay, if you place this, if you select this one, the selection mode, you can't place component. It's not gonna work, right? Unless you come here to this component mode before it can work. So let's pick these two, capacitor. Let's also come here, pick this diode too. So I'm just gonna create a random random device. Let's come over here. Come over here. come over here, drag this. If you come here, you see this thing that look like pencil, you see the color has changed. So once the color change, it means that once you click it, what is going to come out is going to be wire. So I just click it, you see wire, and then I come over here, I come down small, I click it again, just so I can connect it to this diode. So I come down small, and then you see the color has changed now. So the color has changed. So I click it again, so it has been connected now. So I come over here again, come here, drag it down, click it, I come over here to connect it, it has been connected. So I come over here to click it, come down small, click it again, and I come over here, connected, and then I come over here to click it, come over here to, you see we've successfully created a device. So this is just the basic. So if you want a voltmeter, this is it, a DC ammeter, you can come here, drop it here, because this one does not require you you drop it just like you drop the others. Once you come to this this portion, what you can do is you can just come and click here. Any of these you want, you can just come and click here, then you drop one here, then you come over here, you just let's drag it, come over here, you do the same thing just like we did for others, and then come over here, and you take this one up for your watts meter, come over here, no. You come over here too, come over here. So these are not really device, but I'm just trying to show you guys something, how to make use of some of the features here. So you can look at this AC voltmeter, this DC voltmeter, this, all of this. So they are all here. This oscilloscope, all of them are here. So you can just come and pick them. So if you want to delete, let's just say you place a component that you don't like and you've not clicked OK, you can just come and left click it, right click it, just so you clear everything. So if you want to delete this one, you can just the whole thing, just highlight everything, just highlight everything, and then see they are on red, and then you right click this, then you click block delete the block, just so that is it. So now let's create a charger, SMPS charger. So first thing first, let's export most of these 4 components that we need for this project. So we begin by, so far we already have our resistor, we already have our diode, we already have our capacitor. So let's also do let's start by importing, let's import our bridge rectifier. So it's here, I import it. Let's also import transistor, MOSFET transistor. So let's see here. Oh, it's not this package, it's not this package. Let me search for a package. The IRF series. This one is for high power. So yeah, this one, let's pick this one. Let's also come to transformer. transformer. So this is let's also look for UC 38. Which package do we prefer? Which package? Okay, let's go with this one. Which other one are we picking? TL. Let's pick to this regulator. TA314. TA314. What's the name of this? PC3. Okay, let's begin. In subsequent time we'll know how to go about it. So okay, TL. Okay, I'll remember it. TL 431. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Let's go with okay. So we've picked the major ones. So the other ones we are going to pick in the course of this tutorial. So let's come over here. Let's begin by placing our bridge rectifier. So we come here, place this bridge rectifier, and we also place our capacitor. I love this package. I'm looking for surface mount. We need this one for our icing. The capacitor. Okay. Normally this size is small because this capacitor will serve as filter, but we don't need this though for the project. For the sake of this, the capacitor that is supposed to be used should be bigger. But yeah, we are using a smaller one. It's just for tutorial, just in case. So we use this one. Use this one. So we rotate it on the ground level, and then we come over here. We crack this. We also come over here too. No. Let's rotate this. We come here, which one do we pick? We pick our startup resistor. Try to adjust this. Try to adjust it as much as possible. Okay. Our snubber circuit, we come here, bring this downward to the side a little bit. We also bring our not polarized capacitor. Let me search for it. Non-polarized, non-polarized capacitor. Getting it. No. No chloride. So we have a bunch of them here. So we pick another one. So we pick this one. So they are in parallel. Rotate. So I bring it closer. Also, I also do the same thing for resistor. Another resistor comes here. So I come over here. This is basically for protection. It's not necessary, just for the sake of protection. Come on, body. So I come here to replace my diode. Come here to wire, break it down small. Okay, come over here with this one. I cannot wait. Right. So I come over here to okay. Let me place transformer. I drag this up. Undo that. And once you're done, this is how that should look like. Once we are done, this is how it should look like. So I label this. So you can see this is my C out, this is my R out, this is the snowbar, this is everything. So I label everything accordingly. So this is my TL431, this is a regulator. This is my the transistor, my IC. So yes, this is it. Please like, share, subscribe for more awesome videos. Please just like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. So we need more growth to get monetized, because it's not easy to pull out projects. Also please, yeah. So until next time, thanks for watching.